Hey followers, wanted to post a video of a redneck bimini curtain. What you're seeing there is I've been working on this for a couple of days now. I bought some clear plastic, I believe it's 30 gauge. It was about $120 for 9 yards, and as you can see I've sewn it up in my bimini. I've also trimmed it. Some of the points I've got the two pieces attached here, but otherwise it's overlapping. I've got these little eyelets here that I put in. Everything will be bungeed in. One of my rules, my wife's rule, is not to put any holes in the boat, but as you can see it's completely enclosed. There is a back curtain, but it is not clear plastic. Let me show you how I sewed it on the inside. These are YKK zippers, and I got them, that one came in a little short on the sides, but as you can see, it's zipped. The zipper is sewn on the inside, and then the other half is sewn on the plastic. Same thing going across. What a difference that does make. It's 22 degrees right now. I had the heater running once the inside was brought up to temperature. It was actually pretty comfortable. I started to sweat in here. The front, all the plastic basically just overhangs. I made sure that the trolling motor can be deployed and stowed, so there's a cutout. Again, all the pieces are just going to be pulled together with bungees and just snap it in. It'll roll up into 3 pieces, and hopefully I can get some winter and spring fishing in here. Questions, comments? The zippers were from eBay, again YKK number 10, and I had a guy, Zipper Stop over in New York. He custom made the zippers for me. I believe it was like $45 for 3 or 4 of them. There's a 4th one I didn't use, and the plastic material was some marine vinyl. Again, it was $120 for 9 yards.